What is up, dragonflies? Welcome back to another video. If you are new, my name is Jai, and we're back with Daily Dose of Internet. This is, well, you know, it's random videos, but the title is called Truck Driver Didn't See the Train Coming. Let's see, let's watch, get your snacks, relax. If you have not yet, like, comment, subscribe. Let's do it, baby.
This is your Daily Dose of Internet. This truck was moving a wind turbine blade over these train tracks, and they didn't do a very good job with planning ahead.
Oh, hold on.
Oh my God! The truck driver didn't sustain any major injuries.
Wow.
A few days ago, 15 buildings in China had to be knocked down at the same time. The buildings were never completed and were seen as too dangerous to live in.
I see why it collapsed just like that.
Granny, what are you doing? I'm having a cookie. Granny, those cookies aren't for you.
The dog.
They're for everybody, but only for you? No, but I didn't buy them for me either. Granny, they're dog treats.
One of my subscribers has a dog that wants to bite every car that passes by.
That's right.
A few years ago, a space probe landed on a comet and briefly captured these images.
Is that a space comet?
One of my subscribers recorded this amazing lightning strike.
Ooh. That's cool.
I found a cool video of a robot that uses lasers to destroy weeds that are growing on farms.
Everybody must have been high that day.
Someone noticed that a bag of chips they bought had absolutely no chips inside. It was just a bag of air.
That's a ripoff.
The video's ending now, so I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.
He must have filled that back up. He must have filled that back. He must have filled that back up. That was funny. That was Daily Dose of Internet. Pretty cool compilations of great things. Not great things, but situations. So, yeah. Don't be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all the great stuff. And until next time, you guys, stay awesome, stay blessed, stay grateful, and